Hi guys, back with another video. We're gonna play Build a Boat. So let's get into it with my brother. We have to find which platform is he on.
He said started already.
What platform are you on?
Green?
How do you switch platforms?
How do you switch platforms? There's boats and the boats. There are motors and chairs. Wood. I got any wood.
Guys, I'm gonna try to get to the green platform. Bro, someone's in a jet. Oh my god.
Who is it?
I'm dead.
What platform are you on?
I have no idea. I'm on black. Oh, I figured out how to. You're at green, Daxon?
Yes.
Okay, Daxon, I'm with you.
It's you! There's the start of the boat. Can you help me? That's the start. This is the front, Mason.
No. Do you not have a key?
What the heck is that?
Okay, guys, we're going to do this.
Mason, you have to buy some. We have to buy. How do we buy more materials?
Okay, guys. I'm in a jet, Dyson. I'm in a jet. Dyson, I'm in a jet. Nah, that's crazy. Bro is taking me out the map right now. Bro. Why is he Daxon. Daxon, I'm in a jet right now.
Yeah, he almost dead.
I can't.
Fight me again.
Take me here as a treasure, please.
Jackson.
I think he's gonna kill me. I think he's gonna kill me. Yeah, he's gonna kill me.
I thought you guys were just hanging out.
He's gonna kill me. Dyson, I might get killed. I might be wasted.
Bring somebody over.
Okay. Yeah, Dyson, he just stopped flying.
Oh, yeah. These are
No way he takes me to the end. What? He just glitched through the map. Okay, guys, when I already win,
There's like one slice.
because someone's flying me to victory right now. Whoa, where am I?
Why? Get the cheeses for me.
Where am
Mason.
I? Yeah? No. I'm winning.
Hurry up, I want to show you Elliot. And other cool ass ones. Watch the next one.
What just happened? Where am I?
Did your dad not feed you?
I'm in the back rooms.
Why not?
Okay, I'm gonna reset, dude. He just got me killed.
I changed the flags to black.
Okay. Ugh.
Now.
Okay.
Okay, this one's black, Mason.
No. Okay, we're gonna buy this crate. Buy what's inside the rare chest. Yes, sir.
Mason, help me.
No, Daxton, you come to my platform.
I'm back.
Come to my platform. I got a diamond block.
You did? Can we work on the other boat? How do you delete in this game, Mason?
What? What, Daxton?
How do you delete?
It's pretty easy. It's probably the thing called the X at the bottom, Daxton. What the heck did you do?
That's the start.
That's yours. You have to delete that.
This?
Yeah.
This is the start of the new boat.
Okay. And don't delete it. I have a good idea. Don't delete it.
Mason, fix that. The first chair. Mason, where should we put the engine? Where's the
I
engine
have a
go?
good idea. This is where I'm going to sit
No,
back.
that's my chair. I just placed it.
I don't give a crap. It's mine
No,
now.
right behind it is.
Why can't I? Oh, wait, I'm out.
Mason, look, the engine.
This is my chair, Daxton.
Fine. But that's my only chair.
I'll place one for you.
I'm gonna start writing, making the boat wide.
I am making my domain.
Landon,
Mason, I'm lighting up the boat.
Yeah.
why didn't you guys eat?
I don't know.
Oh, no, that's...
Tonight was
That's
fucking
bad.
crazy.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean he was crazy?
We got Ben Jr. in the car.
Stop. No.
I was taking Ben Jr. and his little girlfriend around.
You were the one
Because she
that
didn't
offered
wanna
to
do
pick her.
anything.
You were the one that offered to pick her up.
I
Yes
thought
or
we were
no?
gonna go fuck around, like climb shit with her.
Yeah, and then
That's
she
what
was
I
being
meant.
boring.
She's being
And then
what?
you were going with it.
She was being boring.
You should have said it's alright, just call him. It'll be alright, it'll be fun. But no, you didn't say shit. Yeah, this nigga was an ass. And then some kid got fucking killed at the fucking party we were at.
You guys went to a party?
There was one, Orchard Mesa.
Mason, don't start it.
It was bad. So I ran away and left. I was not doing that.
So you lied to me.
I did not lie.
Yes, you did.
It
Well,
wasn't.
I like-
It wasn't a party. Some kid rented out a space at the fairgrounds.
No, he lied to me.
How?
Oh.
Yes. Where did you tell me you were going to go?
I said I was gonna go do stuff with Wyatt.
No. You said you're going over to Wyatt's dad's house to hang out with Wyatt.
Yeah.
Oh, I told my dad that lady was coming to pick him to drive me around.
No, that is not what Landon asked to do.
My fault.
Because first off, he's not supposed to be driving people around.
Yeah.
He knows this.